Hello and welcome to Okuma's HOWTO. My name is Jochen Ondra and I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lasers in Okuma. Today I'm going to show you how to read 3D models to our CAS system. In our previous videos I already showed you how to create simple models on the controller with our easy modeling function. Sometimes you have complex tools like this one, which is not so easy to create on the machine. To get these models, you download them from the homepage of the tool manufacturer and you convert them into an STL file, which I have here on my USB stick. I again open the easy modeling function and this time I want to make a new tool. It will be a turning tool and I will not use our table this time. I'm going to say I want to read a file from the USB stick. I have this file here and I execute it. I read in the file and confirm and it's there. After I have the model there, I need to edit an insert. To edit an insert, we also have a menu again and I can choose the shape of the insert. In this case, it's a triangular shape, which is 5 mm high and has a nose radius of 0.4 millimeters and an inner circle of 11 millimeters. Set angle is 0 degree as it is straight in the holder. And after that, I have the insert placed into my cutting tool and can use it for collision avoidance. Also here I'm going to store this file under its name, which is C6-CP-75 AL 00-130-11C. Thanks for joining our video today. Check our other videos on our channels. If you have any questions or you need further information, please contact me and my team under info@okuma.eu.